I was blown away, honestly, like how the difference in, because I tasted like an A/B sort of situation where I tasted one without the paragons and then I tasted a shot with the paragons, and the difference was mind-blowing, just like how much more sweet and pleasant the taste and tactile experience was between the normal shot and the paragon shots. So I was hooked once I tried it. I was a believer once I tried it. So I have a couple tools from Nucleus and something from Normcore, and then I have something from Weber Workshops. Thanks, Weber. The Normcore spring-loaded tamper. It has this kind of circular pattern design, and it allows me to have an exactly level temp every single time I go to tamp. And then when I push on it, it's going to use the spring-loaded force to put down 30 pounds of pressure onto my pucks so that they get the same exact tamp every single time, which is super important for consistency in the technical score sheet of competition. And then I have the Weber Workshops moonraker, which is a WDT tool using a spirograph, which is essentially a fancy name for a bunch of gears that run concentrically to each other. So when I spin this tool, these needles are going to move throughout the basket with my bed of coffee in there, and it's going to break up any clumps that may occur from grinding the coffee, so that all of the particles are distributed evenly, but also it breaks up those clumps into even particles so that my extraction can be as even as possible. So you want the bed of coffee to be level so that the water is extracting everything evenly. If it's sloped or slanted to one way, the water is going to travel through the path of least resistance, and it's going to over-extract the coffee that's on the lower end of the slant, and it's going to under-extract the coffee on the higher end of the slant. So I'm just right now just dialing in the coffee with these tools. So from Nucleus, I have the stem system, which is basically a extension of a scale so that you can fit bigger scales underneath the drip tray, and then use the stem to weigh the output of the shots. And then I'm going to be using the paragons, which are compound chilling spheres with holders to compound chill my espressos. It's going to improve the tactile experience of the coffee I'm serving, but also collect 40% of volatile aromatic compounds that get lost during traditional brewing without extract chilling. I actually run these for the entire length of the shot to chill it down to the drinking temperature that I like. Even though you're only supposed to use these in kind of the first part of the extraction, I found that they're very useful for what I'm trying to do with my espresso without really killing the crema or creating something that's too cold. I think it gets it right down to the temperature that I like. Any food, any beverage, the closer it is to our body temperature, the easier it is for our brain to perceive the flavors and nuances in that food or beverage item. And with coffee, because there's so many complex chemical compounds that we're perceiving as flavor, it's really hard for our brain to already be able to decipher the different flavors. But when coffee is super piping hot, it's almost impossible. So by bringing it down closer to the judge's body temperature, they're going to be able to perceive those flavors that I'm calling out, and hopefully it will improve my accuracy scores in my sensory. I think it's going to make my espresso shine even more than it would if I didn't use them.